I will corrupt my mental antivirus program because these app makers are not working. I was trying to bring back the old app maker while that I gotta show one shit. I will crash my mental antivirus program. I will corrupt my mental antivirus program. I love to do that with the computer. I'll put a virus in the computer. I don't need a side of then me the solder up. I don't need a solder up, yeah. I will corrupt my mental antivirus program. I will crash the antivirus program on my mental computer and crash the program on my mental computer. Put a bug in Stephanie's code in the mother mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. When the computer gets mad and lag, anxiety is not a mind virus. Anxiety is like a mind virus. Mind virus, it's a mind virus. Worse than the worst talk. I will crash the antivirus program on my mental computer. Why the f*** these app makers are not working? I have so much anxiety, yeah. I'm always angry in my whole life. It's because my mental computer has a virus.
Hey yo, fuck you, babe.
Cause I corrupt my mental antivirus program. I don't let a soul like a virus get enough. Let it out like a virus get enough. Don't like a virus get enough. Malware virus. Malware virus. Yeah. I will corrupt my mental antivirus program. I will corrupt the files and get a virus. When it nah. Gotta Selena, what I gotta do now? Hit it up like a virus, go so it up and then know I gotta fuck Selena when I gotta know what I do. Tryna get it, girl, let's not quit now. I'm mad, pull it out on the show, get a gun if you wanna give me up the dirties. I don't do enough, kill Kim Root, no I gotta know enough. Fake kill Kim Root to know enough. I'm a show with the virus in my mental computer.
Hey yo,
Mind virus DJ.